The AARP Livable Communities grant was definitely a fast action grant that provided us an opportunity to do something very quickly that would have a long-term impact to the community. This is a more playful approach to our typical bus stop shelters.
It's going to allow some of our seniors to get out, catch public transportation, have a seat while they're waiting for the bus.
This gives people an opportunity to have something more interactive, a place to sit and meet.
It's nice.
It's a focal point, it's a gathering point. It's right beside several places where we've got private investment going on.
The Belmont community is historically an African-American community that is recently transitioning and kind of going through some of the same growth that many other neighborhoods in Charlotte are. A swing doesn't seem like a big thing, but when you put a swing at a bus stop and it creates a place where people can come and hang out and sit down and relax, and that means a lot for this community.
These swings are heavy-duty, American-made steel. It truly is a long-term investment.
This is the kind of thing that stops social isolation, which is something that's been proven to have a true impact on mental and physical health.
We want people to be comfortable, to want to be outside, to want to use public transit, and I think these swings will help accomplish a lot of that.